take a ride. Hand straight out, meant I'm gonna turn left. Hand bent up, meant I'm gonna turn right. If I let it hang way down, meant I was going to slow down. But nowadays, motor companies made it so easy, easy, very, very easy. Flick the handle up or flick the handle down. You just flick the handle up and flick the handle down. Flick the handle up and flick the handle down. Up, down, up, down. Come on, yeah. Use your hands and use your turns and I don't know what you're gonna do unless you use your turn signal.